Maybe cake 4 days, yeah. Yeah, I ain't taking that much away, why? Hey, you got that intake, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bet. Hey, you gotta do another one now. Man, they blowing a V6 down. It is a Mustang. Yeah, somebody keyed that car up, y'all. I don't know what he did. Probably did one of them turbo V6 burnouts and pissed somebody out. That ain't a real V8.
Go back.
Barbecue lemon pepper. Line for the win. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I might just give me a spray. Maybe go buy me a Dr. Pepper. I would shit my pants, fill my socks if I ate week-old meat. I don't even know. I just think something happened to me. Alright, y'all. Little Geo Metro in the building. Little Geo Metro.
Oh, look out.
Look out. Okay. He doing a lot of burnout, ain't he?
Yeah.
You like that, don't you? Canelito! Oh yeah. My ankle been kind of feeling funny, y'all. I need to start back hooping. Feel like somebody done crossed me over. I'm like, when they cross me? Well, this charge I got now, boy, this a good charger, man. This thing. I got the best charge you can get now. It done filled up my battery level all the way to 98%. Voila. I bought it for Quick Trip for $20. Just the cord though, not the whole charger. Oh, Fu Manchu, you one of them. You one of them. You one of them type of dudes, man. Ah, there it goes, right there. Yeah.
Fucking retarded, dude. I swear to God, man.
Oh! Yeah. Left lane for the win. All that didn't do nothing.
They said ping pow pow.
Hey man, give me some, man. You know, sharing is caring. This time it ain't that free, but it's still. All right.
Ping pow pow ping 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 pow. There goes his older brother.
Appreciate the follow, Mr. Stiggs. And, oh man, what's that say? Stock Honda 22. I probably made him mad. Talk about the, he probably, man, that's how my car sound, man. What's worse than a red light? Safety. Safety.
You see her coming around you, staring at you? To answer your question.
Oh, one was tapping me on my shoulder like, look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Okay, let's go see. Reporting here live. Wanna look? Damn, is he alright, y'all? Let me see, y'all. Let's get a report of it. Look like it ain't cut off. Come on, baby. You didn't mess it up bad, I don't think. Do it start? Okay, there it goes. Oh yeah, he alright. Oh no, it ain't no damn skull. Hit it! Yeah, he got lucky. Nah, he ain't getting no dent. He can take that to Paco. Paco have him back out of there in about 4 days.
Hey, he didn't want to let go.
Yeah.
He didn't want to let go.
Who taught him?
Hey, I was like, hey, he's going to take you.
Man. Oh, boy, was like, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Hey, what's all that damn noise over there? Oh, you getting tacos tonight? No. I ain't getting tacos tonight. I had some ribs far across.